Good day and welcome to the Weather Centre on another sunny but cold day across South Africa. This morning a weak front brushes past the south coast, bringing partly cloudy conditions and perhaps a bit of drizzle in the vicinity of Cape Agulhas. Thereafter, strong winds occur along the eastern Cape coastline and showers are likely this afternoon. It's going to stay mostly clear over the northern half of the country except for cloud in the morning in Limpopo. Our rain forecast indicates a 40% chance of showers between Plettenberg Bay and Port Alfred, but there's also a low risk of drizzle along the Overberg coastline and the adjacent interior early this morning. We're expecting another cold day across South Africa with very little difference in daytime temperatures from that of Tuesday afternoon. 11 degrees in Bethlehem, 12 in Johannesburg, Pretoria with a high of 14, only 13 degrees in Bloemfontein and Kimberley, 16 in Uppington and Mahikeng, but Bombela slightly warmer than that at 18, 20 degrees expected in Richards Bay and Durban, and 17s between Cape Town and Port Elizabeth. Now let's take a look at the wind forecast for today. East to southeasterly winds dominate along the west coast and become gusty this afternoon in Alexander Bay. There is a southwesterly swell of 2.5 meters and light winds in Langebaan for the afternoon. We're expecting a fresh southeasterly breeze in False Bay later on, winds becoming southeasterly behind the passage of the front in Hermanus and Cape Agulhas, and a southwesterly swell reaches 3.5 meters during the course of the afternoon, with low tide expected shortly after 7 o'clock this evening. Southwesterlies remain light along the south coast, but we're expecting windy conditions in Jeffreys Bay and Port Elizabeth, and that will be associated with a few showers as the cold front brushes past. There's a southwesterly swell of 3 meters in the open ocean. Along the east coast, after windy conditions on Tuesday, we're expecting light southwesterlies in Durban and Richards Bay, a southerly swell of 1.5 meters, but it's going to be very windy in East London with a southwesterly wind up to 40 kilometers per hour.
Know more. eNCA.com